Hey guys, welcome. What I've got for you today is a 0 to 130 mile an hour pass in the C5 Corvette. I've gone ahead and overlaid onto the screen a slimmed down version from HP Tuners of the scan parameters that I like to look at after each pass. This was done at Rockfalls Raceway this past summer, and after the clip we'll just walk through briefly. It's a short list of modifications to the car. I think you'd be surprised at how short the list is. So buckle up and take a look. Now guys, admittedly that was a pretty weak launch, but keep in mind this is a street car, not a drag car. Here's the relatively short list of modifications necessary to have yourself a 600 horsepower Corvette. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and I'd be happy to answer them. As always guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please remember to hit thumbs up and to subscribe.